Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a review for an eyebrow stamp. This thing right here, I've been seeing it all over the place, so I wanted to try it for myself. It's by Hairline. Your charming start with the hairline. That's what it says. These are my natural eyebrows. They kind of need to be done right now, but it should be okay. We should still be able to test the stamp out today. Here's a little close-up of the product. I ordered it online and it was for $17.99 USD and $5.99 was the shipping. This one is the stamp and I got it in shade black. I just want to see how it looks. I'm really curious. Okay, so it looks like a stamp. So the first instruction is to choose a stencil. These are the stencils we got. There's so many. Whoa. There's 24. What? Okay, so now I'm going to find a stencil that is the closest to my eyebrow shape and length. This one seems pretty good, but I'm gonna just make sure. I'm gonna try this other one. No, it's this one. Okay, so it's number 7. I'm kind of nervous and excited, so let's see. I'm gonna admit I'm having a little bit of a hard time putting it exactly where it should go. I think it's okay here. I'm just gonna go for it. So hold it down very tight. And gonna just dab, dab, dab. I'm gonna go harder on the side, on the outer end, so it's more darker and more defined there, and then it'll just make a nice ombre kind of color in the brow. Whoa, no. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side and then see how it looks. So you have to make sure that you're doing both the eyebrows at the same angle, and I think that's gonna be the tough part. And I really don't like holding this plastic stencil there. It just keeps moving, and our faces are kind of round, they're not flat, so it doesn't really stay where you want it to. Okay. Kind of. I don't know. I mean, not bad. So this was my first time ever trying something like this, so I don't think I got the angles exactly right. They're a little bit different. Okay, so I'll tell you guys where the problem is. My eyebrows are way longer. You see how it ends right there? This I can kind of blend, but this, my eyebrows go from here till here, and I don't want to get rid of that. So that's very concerning for me. So I'm just gonna stick to filling my brows myself, I think. So I just tried to fix my eyebrows and I realized that there are these black spots that happen from the fallout from whatever that stuff is. And I just hate it because it's on my face and it's making me mad. Like, look at this. I hope you guys like my review. It's a no from me. I tried this for you guys so you don't have to. Okay, so here's the twist, guys. I think I got scammed. So I tried to find their website. I wanted to tag them in my video and, you know, give them feedback about their product. but I can't find their website anymore. It doesn't work, so I think it's a scam. This is the order confirmation I got when I purchased the product, and when I click on the visit our store, it gives me this page, and it's just totally fake, and I don't even know what website this is. This is not where I wanted to buy this from. I don't know how I got redirected to this website, so just wanted to let you guys know that, and maybe I will get another actual proper branded eyebrow stamp and then try that one and do a review for that one. Maybe that'll change my opinion about this. Well, until then, take care, guys. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the alert button.